Water damage is not the friend of your home or you. Water is great to drink, wash and even swim in, if there is a pool around. So getting more water in your house or business than can be controlled with plumbing is not ideal. These situations happen, and when they do, they cause destruction and heartache. We are the team to call to get your property and personal belongings back to health. So please do yourself a favor and call the number provided below to get us scheduled to clean and restore your mindset and investment.